Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. One down to the ground. Yeah. Blessed our Father. Thanks for waking us up. And keep us safe. Let's go to bed. But if you watch a channel down there first, you watch it, subscribe. You know what I mean? I'm bed about to go now, but I left another movie to go and watch. I could have early morning or midnight. Go and watch a movie, yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, I just life though. Turn the light on. As your queen, your life gone. Me see what them up to. Them two stuck to. See what them been drinking, and I hear what them been thinking. One king, one king, one king, one king, one king, one king, one king. One king, one king, one king, one king, one thing. Then I know them I play with, then I owe. But we change. But we change. Nothing new to me. You can never get used to me. This is not what it's supposed to be. You push me to my destiny. I see you from a mile though. Me read all your style though. This world is ever changing, but I'm gonna change too. I'm gonna do what the wicked men do. I'm gonna change too. You don't know me. You don't know my story though. I come from the gully, and I come from the hills. I come from the gully, and I come from the hills. Remind me of myself, success and my destiny. They wanna put me on the shelf. You don't know me. I one king, one thing. Let me get my mind right. Give me some time to process all the things I go around me in my life. Let me go and drink a red stripe. Let me go and burn a big spliff. Let me go on easy, cause I want king, I want thing. I want king, I want king, I want thing. Just let me live my life, oh. Just let me live my life, oh.
Alright, that good. One take. Next, back to it. Just want to hear the rhythm still, alright.
Yes, sir.
The boyfriend, my cousin.
So I'm with
You
that.
ask what me I do ya? What you are do ya with me cousin? What you do ya with me cousin? You say you is not a good cousin.
Me?
You know you can't keep me here.
Alright.
You come down one up and you can't keep me.
I know what you think. I know what you think.
Come on.
Brittany,
Come,
I know what you think.
Go Brittany and come on now. to tell to tell her the truth. Me can't believe that me cousin and my boyfriend in a dealing. But me don't know about it. If I never came along, I don't know about it.
So you don't want to work with this girl, man.
But you know what? Me don't feel like stay anymore. Me I go Westmoreland. You say I forward.
Of course, girl. We need to get out of this poverty life.
This is all we down.
How down this and nobody up here now like we need a girl. We need to go spot nobody no know so we can make better.
That's true. Me up at my things and I go down to so you say. And my boyfriend make me there here. So not your boyfriend, so called ex.
Dirty boy there.
I make me there here, you know that.
Because you have your life. I you come put it down for that little dirty boy and my cheap on you with a cousin at that stage like cut the boy throat. I think it's you. Come on. Come on.
Henry!
How are you?
Can I hear me a call?
Hmm?
Your son had to open the place now?
How are you? Long
Sorry,
time.
if it's smoke.
Long time no see you.
So what going?
There.
Where's the time? Anyway, as this is me come down for deal. My sister come down here and she want one place to rent. My sister and her friend. And she want one place to rent. They don't really have nowhere yet. Because they don't know where they're not. So they come down for look work and rent one place.
Yeah, man. Me have home available. Me have the front room right now.
That one now?
Yeah, man.
How much you got for?
I charge more than 45. But to me know a long time they take 40 from them.
So, give me your number.
363 65 16.
Alright, then we call you.
I'm telling them, yeah, make them call still, because I want half of the money before they come. That's a business though. You.
I don't know about this girl. It's so much I'm going to go through there. So, then, come on.
You're sexy though. You still ready to work out, sir?
Bueno, what are my business?
Shake your bumper then. You crocodile, yeah?
Hello.
Oh,
What going?
yeah.
Yeah, me get one place here in friend now, but him man tell me see a 40, 45.
45.
Yeah.
You have to talk to my friend.
Yeah man, I know one nice place man, so him money worthy.
Okay. Yes, sir. Nice place.
Yeah, one green and white house. Concrete clean and get on a little board nothing me at that about.
A 2-bed in there?
Then I must 2 bed for that 2 no.
Oh, okay. Then you know some place I 1 bed also.
So me go me number and uno come check it out.
Alright, my number.
Hold on, me I look for it. Three
363
69 16.
69 6916.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, that's alright. Your link her and tell her about it.
Alright, sis.
Alright, thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Over there, so we are going. Yeah. Good, like over there. Alright, the bunny picture. Look nice too. Look nice too. Yeah, come here.
Hello, what time now?
Time for we go inside, I'll pay your money, sir.
Listen, from 7 o'clock, when the crowd are come here,
We get pulled up.
I look on the time, you know what CLI means, you know what people come here to rent from and run them back because I want to.
I'll pay your money already.
Hello, you never pay the full money.
You not say.
You pay a part of it.
So when I have money now.
How far where you come from?
And our business or phone are come. Listen,
Sir.
when you pay me that Jamaican, I do what me like. I don't like the Jamaican money. And yeah, you see now, since you don't have up the whole time for the whole day, you see, teacher, you see my house now, we don't pay half, you know. But we don't worry about that because the body can pay if you want, you can pay for.
How about with that,
So if
sir?
you can twerk it, your price is
She must
just
can't work it and work it, but me, we need double D. Can't work it and work it, but me, we can't do it. We need double D for it.
No, I must she. Cause me not depend them do something there.
Browning, are you name Browning no? Are you name Browning? So stop behave like that.
Me not gonna
Sorry, I'm
take
gonna let
no
we
money.
not. You let we or not?
under two conditions before me let me in. Number one, what you come with, leave with it only. You don't need to buy nothing put in this house.
Why?
I said so. Number two, if you can't agree to what I'm saying, you can't come to the grill.
We hero. Let
All
me
right.
know. How far we go? Let's start this one.
Go on to the house.
So the front room me want.
You will get the front room when
right.
you can't pay enough money. Go on.
Me and the back thing then I'm gonna work out good.
No one in that damn sexy.
So me not sexy too.
Go on. Yeah, sexy.
Alright.
Yeah, no. Reconsider, we can make a front room.
Yeah.
Under one condition. Once a while running, can't spend time with me, isn't it?
No, don't do that.
You must know, no. We don't have a back to anything we need.
Me not spend no time with
But
you.
then anything for yourself, I mean it's independent, so I'll be there tomorrow.
If we not come down here to depend on money.
Then, let me ask you a question. If we didn't have no dirty money, why don't you pay me half of the money?
Because
We don't have
I've
it
the
right
reason
now.
why.
I
We have the money, sir, but you don't wanna like give out all our money one time. You know, half and half work by. We don't work by everything.
If you told me I got the child, I'm not a liar and I tell if you don't want to go sugar and water, because you look like you don't have money to buy food. Just mix it in the kitchen. We're all about.
You want like to add in it?
Just give us 2 weeks.
Girl, come on.
I'm not at this proper.
That was the
Mine.
What the most money? What's the most money?
Are you time to come down here?
That's true, but sometimes you can sleep on this and sometimes if you want. Yeah. So yeah, take a back, girl, take a back them outside there.
Yeah, look come on the poverty life. This one ain't good.
What's that kind of? Can't go on, not true.
Too much people up there here we.
All the man around the same was the county when I foreign.
Couldn't but you go and brown and spend time with them. Great.
I was spend time with the man.
That's no.
The man when I spend time with him, just spend time with him, man.
Right now?
I get a money off a job, man.
When
When me not do, me not tell you to go do it, so.
You have to go look work right now.
Me know that if it's okay, just let us know. You have to look for it.
Also, you might look wife already, you know, so you have to have money and time to give.
So, okay, girl, I know, sir. We'll find something to do.
Of course, I've got here to go work right now.
Before we can start from.
I don't know, I can't get my work at a gas station or something.
Me that.
I
I want to be a businesswoman.
You two don't have to work at a gas station too, you know, girl.
That's all you care about your looks.
I'm wasting time. Can't be said then I am. I'm wasting week when I have to pay for you. Now that think I'll get through. I hope she gets through. Very little pay.
What's up, girl? Woo! Good news.
You look like you have
Girl, me get to work. I got to work.
happy for you.
So about you?
But I'm not getting it. They say they will call my master.
Let me call you.
You know, a housekeeping job I apply for.
Well, me
I
at
don't
work.
get this still, but
Yep.
they say they will call me. So I want to work.
Well, something to work me get work in the office.
Good.
Right there, right there. Right there.
Not good.
Alright, so
When you gonna start work?
team, come on in.
Good. You have sense. You have sense, kind of. So you want to multiply that your face still and not they want to try to break yourself.
Oh, I only hope say for your thing come true, is it?
You have to come through. Come on, I don't. You have to sexy them or something. So me will get it.
Missy call. Hello?
How are you doing? Good morning.
Good morning.
You know what I'm saying? I work for you, so I'm going to do a concept, but I want to buy a breakfast morning. Before I mean, you're saying that you work, how you do the home, right up on the road.
No, I'm there home, I'm not work. I'm not work today.
So, what's up for today? Can you give me a link at my home?
Well, normally I don't go to people place. I don't like go to people place, so I don't know if you say.
Well, I understand that. So, what's up if I come over there?
Alright, well. Alright, I'm just know. Me I know the name about. Me I know the name of them things about. Alright, me I send you something there, location.
Alright, because I really want to get to know you, because I've been telling a friend before. I really like you. But when I follow me and talk to you,
Alright then.
send me location right now.
Right now.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Okay.
Alright. So.
Berlin.
Oi! Me come.
Yeah, about 1 month.
Hi.
Hello.
No?
Can I put my phone on the table?
Yeah, sure.
So your best friend of mine, they feel.
She gonna work. So I'll go on.
Yeah.
Good?
Can I sit beside her?
Sure.
Well, I'm glad to see you, like, you know, I really don't want to see you. I know what I find that I like the feel like. The day when I see you, I come from work. Isn't like, you know, I just find what I real love for you. Isn't it? said they me get a number. But I really want to start something serious with it. I not really rush it, but I just express my feelings still.
Oh, I
She's a
understand.
nice black girl and can't say you're hardworking.
That's right.
And you're hardworking too, so I think could have matched together the right couple.
No. Well, I don't really want to jump in our relationship so quick because the last relationship I did in my own cousin take my boyfriend from me. My own cousin of blood. So that's why I'm not really trust boy people like that because him into my cousin and my cousin into him.
Well, I know you're scared to go in another relationship, but me go on wait, you see me? Make you get to know me some more. You see me, I'm not really rush it. I want to show you realness. You see me, but I just want you to know some rate it. I'm not there for you.
Alright.
So you plan for doing a day different though?
Yeah, I plan to do nothing. Just really lie down.
I wonder if I can go out later though.
No problem.
Alright.
Okay.
I'm gonna go up on the road, I just make a quick pass through. That's why I want to see your face.
Alright.
Alright, so I'm leaving now.
Alright, later.
Get me a hug. Alright.
Alright. I'm gonna close back the door. Okay, well, thanks for following me. You can go on up on your journey. What you say? No, you can't come in. Mr. Thanks. Thanks for following me. Really appreciate that. Later.
Wait there. Give me 1 minute there.
What are you saying?
Give me 1 minute.
What? I'm in my yard. Where are you going?
1 minute. Just 1 minute.
Come on.
1 minute now. So,
What are you saying?
you can't make me come in our house to go and sit down and eat something or drink something. Or you can't change off for me and you go up on the road, go buy you something or we have a talk, me get to know you better. That can happen.
Look here. Me tell you say nothing come in my yard and you come in my yard. Me I go inside, go eat something and go sleep and bathe off. Me not nothing to feed you, sir. And me no need to bring me up because my name is Miss Independent. Me independent, me not take things from man. You hear that? So later me tell you thank you already and thanks for coming come here. Me no need no long talking or no. You not coming to my house. You not know in the look. A nice night, bye go on.
So I can't for the date, me sir?
Sir, I ain't deal. Me not deal. We don't know where you know.
So simple say me can come inside, go sit down and have a drink, have a talk and get to know you better. I go on, sir.
Sir, me not go on nowhere, but me tell you say you can't just walk in my yard like that. And you want to come inside of my house. Things don't work, so me tell you thanks already, so later, bye. Go on through the gate and lock it on the way going out.
Just have this senior wide up in some.
No, man. I don't look prepping up now, I don't look cleaning up, you know?
Oh my God.
Are you over to tell me, you know?
Sister, they're good and so on.
Yeah, so far they're good.
And front room, we're not ready.
Why can't we not know what the front room for? Uno, I'm here at my room, but if you can't pay the fees, we rent it. We have no problem renting it. So, I owe that man. Ah, yeah! Eat too much pork. Where is it now? The front room now, like I you want a long time, we rent it still. The welfare is still enough, so you don't have to buy nothing to put in there. So just give me 140 grand. One time come, we take off a little 10 time work or something.
Yeah, me really want a front room if it's true, you know, because if we landlord there, the woman down there, come like I want, she want my money, you know. I walk around with tool and I make tool drop, you know. And I walk around with some sitting way up one there, so, you know, like I want, you want my money, you know. I left another place, the man. When I do something there, I don't want to beat again. See me? So I would have glad if I can make me get the front room.
50 grand.
50 grand?
Of course.
See me just tell me 40.
Because we think a year alone that come, that's why we send time mountain come, we take out something by 40, but now you have a man at 50 grand. get the money and come.
Yeah, I want to steal, so I'm going to work for it.
The whole life rough, man. Ah, well, I think a year alone that come live in a front room, you know. We didn't know see a man come here, you know. 50 grand. The man can come. 50 grand. You get the front room, yeah? So you can move in. Start. So say half my money for you come.
50 grand?
Yeah, yeah.
We'll check.
Alright. Safe travel.
Daddy! 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 Who is you?
Where you come from?
Who is it?
Kim,
Who is she?
listen.
Who's Kim?
Listen, we are tenants in this. She's my daughter in here.
Why, Data?
They are the guests in the front room.
I never feel that like. Is it? So she had the wrong as well.
Well, Rosa. Wrong beer.
Run there.
Listen.
There's such a room there, she followed the road there, so.
Listen too
They
much.
stuck it, they in that room now work.
Listen too much.
Alright, Mr. Henry.
She do all of the day job around here. She clean.
The woman never know about that.
What I said, my daughter Kim, maybe put it in my house. I'm not from by your name. For sure, I'm gonna fast and everything. Okay.
Hi, Kim. Hi.
So she's going there time to time, but she's not gonna stay here.
What business? What business my daughter, sir?
So,
I'm not looking at
Alright, go on, go.
Are you Baba?
Yeah. So, how is the morning so far?
Not too bad. I'm hungry, though. I'm hungry.
I'm if you tell you. I'm gonna see where food I go. So what for you, you know?
Which room? In that room?
Uh-huh.
In the alright, where I want to know about. You know, get the money here, and if you know about not what going in there, so.
Sometimes when we ship, they could have shot me money and just check me back room.
Who you chat to? Once somebody step in your throat, come here, LeBron.
You ever talk about shot money and check?
I check him.
Me? Look at him. What am I checking for?
So you follow the run this one? My chat, but yeah, how about them say I do some 1 or 2 day walk around this?
Yeah, the 1 or 2 day walk in things of
Work, yeah. And can I have a pay me.
Are you not telling me nothing about that, Ronnie?
You don't need to tell them everything.
Exactly.
Your
So
friend.
she a go, a big people are talking, but around this one, your girl child.
Well, I'm going around there from that. This is what I said. 1 and 2, they work with you. You want 1, 2?
When I want to deal with it, I'm not a cleaner. I'm a business lady.
Oh, still their business. Everything you do, you do well.
Remember saying no, they not pay me enough money, you know.
Right,
So
so she
anything
also look
you
for
get,
money.
me have to take it. You don't know that too?
Alright, that's it.
So
I'm
let's just
telling you to be some money.
look at, I got some like rent the place to some people in the car. Yeah, some nasty tenant man.
And yes, Friday that come, she just dance to the place, so.
Hey, don't rent yourself. Look here, don't rent yourself. Because first thing, Miss Smellis went try last night, I cook. I don't follow it.
I'm running you, I'm running you.
Somebody can steam Kalalo in a teapot. Hey,
Ready? Running! The man, this is thank you.
Kalalo again. What? Kalalo. So that girl, una woman.
Oh, you're calling from?
Una woman, Kalalo.
Me not call her running there, she got she don't they love me. Me
Do not call me.
not bush.
Don't call me.
I don't eat bush.
You can't cook some chicken. I cook, you can't cook.
Woo! Mom can cook. How much can me cook here? Right?
Burning. Me can't believe a girl. Let's say I clean a woman. You know, go and wash the plate. They make it look bad for me.
Me work the whole week. Me clean for him round there, so if you come clean again, so
I'm gonna look for where I look for.
But let me tell you something. I pay everything around there. I want this here.
so I'm pay me for clean in here, so
I don't know how to believe this.
A power bank.
Oh,
You idiot.
oh. Cause woman love views and things there.
Sorry, can you go around your room? Please be a talk. Let me not girl talk. Near that your company, your daughter come already. Go and back around the tour.
Hello. You want to say something to me?
What?
You see, any girl start to have it at the room on the paper. They all on pay the fees, on only use it.
Yeah.
On only rent the room. On only using it. You see,
It's a baby more loud.
no wonder that they all take a ring, pick the bad run off if you pick the, try to pick the bad. And you know when they look you want, we say to your man, say, yo, come live with me. Now you know what I mean. Me wishy-washy, I'm in jail out.
What do you watch down the throw?
if you look at some old
But
man,
you see that?
Yeah.
Who watched
Tina!
Who watched that?
right?
Listen to this.
Look here, sir.
You better know what I'm
Are we walk on the warrior in here?
But now, what
So let's say we call police and you know what is that?
call the police. I will put you out. I'll
Because
put you out.
I don't pay money, can't put it and tell you back the money.
Exactly.
You want to hear about daily rent? If you want back your money, we charge you for daily rent. 5 grand a day. Make up your mind.
If you're an idiot,
Make up your mind.
got you.
You think you can scam me?
Oh no, I'm
We are
proud.
going to take a wash down data too. You know, wash down like.
If
We
you
not kind of lick me.
hey,
Burning. Nobody will. So.
No, I really want never really fear about this. Because you have to come to me that I want to come and so we can sue you.
We can't sue
We
you because
can't
we rent the
sue
place
you.
for you. And you can't
You
tell
have
us.
proof?
Hello.
Did I give you a receipt when I come here? That's a proof. We show us all rent here. I can holler thief right now. I can shout all this and say, thief! I'm going to go to prison. So, don't wrap yourself with me. You see, when they come out to landlord, they have all rights. You see, once you don't get no receipt, you don't have no target here. Because you can't pay me for the full rent.
Me can't text and not me say, I just make you
Did you
sell one
get a
place
receipt
like
when you
this.
come here? Did I give you no receipt when you come here?
Yeah.
Browning, check me later.
Look at you. Fear end. I am next one
you
too.
might throw them.
If it top go round there.
Yeah,
Don't take your
what
hand
you going to
loose,
go
yo.
do?
Yeah, tell me, I'm gonna go clean
Come
up.
back
Because
and get
man,
me
he pay, but my cousin they are touch him, I don't know.
touch who?
Every day I tell me I have to cost take this money.
I'm going to find someone better than him.
Okay, back to you now. What me hear say go on up so?
Wait, what daddy? Where the talk about?
Stand up, me I talk to you. Here say up there blackmail the people them. Which as somebody did use to stand, that's why I know say you no jacket. But you know nice. Because one day one of them will hurt you. You can't blackmail the people them. You are one in secret. You collect money off of them. Me say you come in with too much money. I don't know if you do it, my daughter. Then they are not fear you're too young for it. Leave it alone. I don't tell me say a lie. Because your mother not tell lie for you.
Daddy, me know daddy, but sometimes they remember when they used to blackmail me too. A time for revenge.
Listen, I don't want to know what about blackmail if I in the car. If I nothing bad, I don't want to know about me. I have to trend me until the right now. But hear me, I say revenge is not the answer. You know it alone. Want to concern you, leave it. Put it one side. No. I'm not have give me a phone and go on inside. Give me a phone. Give me a phone and go on.
Daddy, but I'm forgiving my phone. Suppose mommy call.
Me will answer her. Give me a phone. Give me a phone. Kim down and put me. Go on inside. Inside. Why you call up your phone? Right. You will go on. But that 5 yard for deal, you know. See, after this yard, we go. At the top yard up so, then we go around the next 2 yards on the side of the sun and call it a day. Because I want to take a time off today because if my woman go out would be a foolish. Right? You just nigga from every woman look for me, there's a problem. You don't know wrong with that woman there. Right? But what go out, we may see a feature for one look at thing with all of them about that girl there. So how the motive with you now? Can you say walk with her every day, but you don't know what to tell her. You tell her what me tell her say? You tell her say roses are red and violets are blue. You tell them story there?
Talk to her, man. No, say thing I go good so far, but I go to her with some more argument.
This evening.
Yeah.
Tell her one I think, you see, woman love surprises. Right? Surprise her. Right? Surprise her with something she never see yet. Surprise her. Buy her something expensive. And when they just run up on her and give her it so. She says, oh God, that nigga really I think more. You understand? So do something like that, I bet you get her. And some get my one, you know. Me surprise her. Because Mrs. Seed Panara says she's a girl that when I'm enough. I'm surprised I had one bucket of chicken. He nearly dropped down. He never see much food in my life. Because I didn't come from a sufferation place. Because I'm just watching surround and so I'm used to when I used to. You understand? No saying love eat and no food in the party in there. Big bucket of chicken, big juices, and say, oh my, in love me. You don't want nobody come near me because I work hard and just say me give him food. Whole heap of food, like food in abundance, because that's all she care about really. So if I know what she care about, you got her. If a girl care about money, you hunt money and give her money. If you care about anything she care about, that is it. That's how we make a strong relationship. You prize her, and after that, you ask her, say, are you interested in a mommy? What you like? What you don't like? You know what I mean? Tell her, say, we go up on this moon, for water, for her. You know what I mean? You will walk on the water tap to get to her. You know what I mean? You take a grenade, a bullet, everything for her. Then we have to convince her so you can get her and then you can keep her. When you get her, do not beat her or eat her. You take time with her and make sure she... You understand? Good relationship, you get some good youth them good, and that's life all about. Reproduction, reproductivity, and positivity, and make the youth them come forth and do good to change the narrative. Because you're a good youth, you're not bust no gun. So tell youth them the same thing, you're not bust no gun. Can them come, you know what I mean? They go work. So anyway, go ahead and about it now, because my woman died and raised.
Where you come from?
Right there. I'm bed just there. And boy just finish off 2 yards and take her early. Because I take it there early. Because I say, I know say don't have must have murmur. Because if I want to say murmur, I'll need sleep and call woman name. So I know say one man in Patsy and Susie, woman name na early again. So I say I come check you and see where you go. Because you gotta want some good work in the sun at you. So I say I take a day off and give you where you want. Maybe you sleep better and have some nightmare.
Speaking of dream, okay, if you're asleep, you know, and I did dream, how you doing with woman in a bed? What's the one I doing with? And how you work and you know look dirty?
Right. What about if I work my work? So come on, go for yard. We're backside here. Come on, man.
Come on, we can go for...
Nice. How are you doing a bush down, sir?
I shall cut me a take and I go down the road. What happened?
Boy. How are you doing a bush down there, sir?
I shall cut me a take and down the road more longer.
Oh. But anyways, you know, said that they look for you this morning, did want you to do something for him.
What that?
Cut the yard.
Alright, yeah, what? Tell him say, I'm going to check him either tomorrow. But I go down on the road and I'm going to meet somebody. Yeah, so I can stand down later.
Okay. How are you going to run the go, sir? Oh. What's up with the move on? That one peepee dog. Oi! Yo! Oi! Wake up!
Wake up!
Me left you something wrong. Hey boy, get up. You live in a room like you're a madman. Get up. Hey, sir. Jesus Christ in there. Jesus Christ. No, I must drop this. Yeah, girl. Talking about that. Me say you don't know what going today. Brother, me say one boy dead on the road. What? I have me not like me there, you know. I'm finna run joke with something like that, brother. Me swear, brother, me swear. Me see if boy dead on the road. Me even check him pulse him and he never did a breathe. What? One video about it after me no police, me run. But after me no police and where's me they traumatized and something so me never know what to do. Yeah, but anyways, me watch a video, a TikTok video them also when me I do on my phone, when me they do today also. So you know what me I gonna do? Me I call her back tomorrow, you see me? Yeah, good night. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry about your work, your friend. Me just yesterday kill him down the road.
So really, no Britney this year.
Him not dead. But everybody have said dead catch who when them see the ambulance come and them check him then get down pulse. But him in a coma though. I don't know if he gonna live or not, but him in a coma for now. Nobody don't know what happened to him. He does. Some people say in junk, but they say an alcohol system, so or in Japan he can't put the stone, so you know what I mean? You know, like he get on looking at his face, so nobody don't know if what cause it, but that's still so. That is that, so.
You know you say they look down boy.
Which boy I talk about?
No, I see him look at you, they did like him and they always fish around the place. I can't look for you. You see him look a black you there. Yeah, me here so they lick him down, but he not dead.
That the boy there? So, what you mean they lick him down and he not dead?
Girl, me hear say in a coma and police are investigate because they want to know who lick him down. So a big something.
But Browning, I'm really sorry to hear that still. Because I'm a humble little boy and I do nobody nothing.
He not dead, so you whole neighborhood are saying dead.
What some people say? For them say stop breed, them say that. But
I like coma thing now, you know. You know must wake up, you know. Probably that's why they are saying dead now, because when people normally go in a coma, they take how much a year before they wake up, so.
well, I'm not dead, so that's a good part about it, so.
Well, I'm glad to hear you saying not dead still.
But if nobody do it, then that try. Then go find out, go on. So they might investigate, but you know, maybe not come out tight still, but I talk to them in family, so everybody say, them glad saying not dead, sis, and go survive. You know, worry about that.
I'm there alright. I'm there go good. Only thing that worry me, I went time me hear and me I say, oh, you never tell me.
No man, since evening, man, no long time. Since evening.
No, sir, I say people didn't stay. People they make it sound like say weeks now a man get licked down.
No, since still. So go up on the road. After you left me there night day, you know what I mean? You go mash the shift, gonna work. Then another time there. So like your sister them out there, your friend them out there cook. Or a landlord a cook. But anyway, all I risk are tomorrow I want different day. More check down the hospital tomorrow so I'm going with different still. That's it. Yeah, man. But most likely, them saying go survive. Because them say he'll lick and get in a coma, but they say the people come out of coma all the while. I said that. What you go do? You'll be there now?
No, that me go do my whole fresh now and then come back when I done.
Alright, do that.
Super.
Oh God. Why we have a pray for sure, you know. Remember boy when they wake up my yard? You want me get a call and somebody lick him out. Right now in a coma. Yeah man, I'm always wake up my yard. I mean nobody's wake up my yard you know. Boy, it's stressing man. I have too much work for me and I can't manage what I do right you know. So what you can do for me now? You know I need somebody to wake up my yard man. Do, I beg you. I just come back a man. Me a depend on you know youth. Alright. Alright.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Britney, I want you. I'm sorry. Britney, I want you. Alright. I dream me a dream. Girl, I want to give me a heart attack. Sorry. What kind of dream that you have? Nothing bad. Nothing bad. You know what the plan for your mind when you're asleep. Girl, go back to sleep now, man. Watch on your leader tonight. G6. G60. 60, you know if you have to run on G60, just say the number, I know what to do. Look here, I can't hold the bag like that because that's the number then. G60? Britney. What? Every night you're over there so asleep. You ain't that one. I'm sorry. You flip me all wake you up, yeah, lick me off. How are you sorry about? Darling, to tell you the truth, I have a secret, but not even my mother I can't make know. You're my best friend, but you can't know. If my mother can't know, you can't know. When the time is right, you will know. I make you know when the time is right. Just play back a game. We know someday. No, sir. So we know someday. You need to know because your son a little too guilty. Guilty with what? I don't know, but how your son sad, how you talking. Girl, you don't know nobody nothing do. Okay. Play again. Alright, come in. What about that? How many is it? 60? Yeah, 60 pounds? Alright, man. Lick it tonight, you know. Alright, 28. I'm going to be up there a while.
all that money them on the same foreign. All that everything we do. I'm a house money me I send me now. So tell me something, which part of them you know?
I guess.
Ah, see boy.
Hello.
Can I help you?
Hello, me know your secret, you know.
What are you talking about?
Don't worry about that. Just want to know your secret.
By the way, who is this?
Me say no worry yourself. When you come here, we talk about it.
Okay. Good.
I'm not listening, isn't it?
I guess I can't tell about before. Right now, they say how bad me. Can't believe it. Browning.
Yo.
Hope say I know you're your friend. They had a prank me, you know.
What kind of prank? We don't know nothing
But I know my secret.
What's secret?
Oh, but that's a ask you still, cause never mind. That's a ask you.
We don't know nothing about no secret, girl.
Alright, just try and make sure it's not gonna prank me.
Buy something when you come for us.
Christ. You just
Cook,
want
please.
Oh,
Buy
cook.
something to cook, yeah.
Feel for you, you talk. You just want so.
No man, you see nothing in your house to cook.
Alright, no problem.
Alright,
See you later.
alright. Be safe.
Alright, same to you. God. Why are you supposed to me? Hello.
Hello. No, we need to find out wait till later. So which was the one I'm going to contact you?
Who is this, by the way?
Mr. No worry yourself, man.
Hello,
No
if
worry
you-
yourself.
If me feel not worry myself.
Contact you.
Hello, you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
If me feel not worry myself, well, please don't call this number. Because I can't talk about, oh, tell me which part of work and this and that, and you're not tell me who you be.
I know what you did last week.
Last week. Oh. What me do last
That
week?
gentleman on the road that lost his life.
So wait, basically, you want to talk?
You want me to send this video to the police then?
Huh? Who's that in the
Yeah.
background?
Oh, it's on
Your
my
background is
phone.
very
The
noisy.
police then.
What?
Do you want me to send the video to the police?
No, please. Alright, me tell you which part me work.
Start first and tell me which part to work.
You know,
Contact you.
alright, you come out in the town where beside a store named John Sport is. You know that store that named John Sport?
Yeah.
Alright. Across from John Sport, just alright, go at the front desk and ask for Brittany. Brittany
Okay.
Richards.
I'll be there.
Alright.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, what you do here? Are your father son I come here for the rent money? Me tell him say him I will get him money. He can't wait. What's up?
Hi.
Why are you laughing?
No, mama.
Why are you laughing?
No, mama. Actually, me don't come about father business, me come about be me and your business.
Look, girl, what kind of business me and you could have? Eh? What kind of business we can have?
Well, me are the person who called up on the phone a couple minutes ago. Look at this. Where did the delete? Mama, the delete. But okay, Mr. It's on a backup hard drive at home. Okay, so there's nothing you can do about this situation. All you can do is just pay me. You see me? But you see, before you start paying me, we need a Crocs black, actually, with it's a little pretty something on it, and a gold something, whatever you want to call it. You can even keep the phone too. You see me? Make sure we get what I want.
Hey, wait, come here. Come for your phone, please. Let me get the Crocs.
Make sure. Don't forget the money part neither, Mama.
Come, listen, my God. Let me not stress, I'll come in a stress. Hello? Where can I get a black Crocs to buy? Okay. But me need some pretty something on it too, along with a gold chain. Alright. Okay, thank you. Alright, well. Where's your door?
Well, man.
Where that's it?
One of the car.
Bring something here.
I want important to move that. So, what have you done? What kind of business have you done?
Yeah, no about that. You can go to her? I'll pick you in.
Yes, you go there.
Over the gate, that's our TV.
What kind of business have you done?
You don't have to know about that.
I can't go there. I don't want a house.
Not nice doing business with you.
Okay, bye. Stop. Oh, come back here some after. Come back here some. Me have to check the Crocs to make sure say I correct something your bike and come give me. Because I feel like somebody in a laughing with you.
Young lady, please hurry up.
Wow. But you could have like more bling bling on it still, but it's okay. I like it. Have a nice day. And make sure say me get my money. Bye now. Stuff duff.
Once a while cleaner.
Girl. You know, so me have work and stuff. When me get the time to clean, me can clean. You have to understand that. So you walk up and down the rubbish stuff, huh?
Okay, give me a money.
Girl, right now, stop me want to come. See, I'm here hurry. I want to come go stop go buy something.
Can I give out KFC food?
Fortunate, just hide.
Maybe if independent like me.
Hey, about talk about independent. Wait till me start with some good money in my hand.
Because you waste time, that's the point. You're wasting time. When they not speak up, I feel like I'm making the answer. I mean, I feel exactly the rest of the wash up.
What can I see?
Girl. Just told me say we go to KFC.
Make sure you can your KFC for me, no? And I'll do me like the other night.
You want to tell us I care back something you don't care back yet?
No time.
You don't have money. If anything left back for the next please. Come and run right now.
I'll make sure you get a KFC.
That doesn't feel like I just left out now when we have one.
Yeah, man.
We just go for you back.
You cannot even that. You see, I told you that we're running out with enough more.
You can't do it right now. You have to leave it right now. Later.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Tiana!
I would have.
Tiana! Ashley!
What?
Ashley!
Who's Ashley that day? Girl, where are you?
You know, say, I want to work, but come do it, but...
Girl, where are you doing?
I want to work, but come looking about me. Did I look a room up so for stay, but the man give me a room.
So where are you doing your song? Anyway, come inside. Look come in. Chappy.
Oh, go on.
You can't believe this.
Good.
Surprised to see you. Girl, you need to tell her which part me make her come to.
Yeah, girl, that's true. I want to work, I can't deal with upset about when I get you. So I say, alright, in the room where I did book, a man gateway. So I say, I could spend 2 days with you.
Yeah. And you can bring new ex-man as that with you too. You idiot? A 2 bed in there, one for me and one for Brittany. Where him and where you all go.
Girl, well, we can talk to Brittany and see what she goes say.
Your parent?
Girl, I don't like
You give me money?
I don't like say 1 month.
Girl, but I don't understand. You really take Brittany, man, and then come here, have guts to show up here with our man? What kind of style that?
Remember, blood thicker than water, you know. And for a little bit, we are taking one another, man. She take part from me take back her next one. And she take my next one from me, and now me take Chappy and my money.
You hot low. I hope I same attitude you put on when Brittany come here. Like really, can't believe you girl, just too low. And your cousin man, your cousin ex-man. Me could go there so. And my roommate. So what go on with the sleeping thing? You go put in some money for the 2 nights. So what go on with the sleeping thing? You not put in some money towards it?
Don't get into family affair. Anyways, we're here right now, so we're going to go sit down.
I want to be Sagala. Relax, go. So what am I gonna do? You don't mind that one? Because I look like I'm second down everything, you know, man.
Yeah, man, I work on it, you know, just I want to get some money, get a house, and, you know, buy a car, then give her a surprise of her life, you know? Yeah, man. Because, you know, say my woman this now, so I have to work here.
But differently still. You know, say Brittany love you.
You know, man, but in kind of have an independent style. True, I have to know how to look away.
What do you mean, so not
Everything
independent?
is independent. So what to me? I don't want a life too.
So not
It's all about she.
So not independent woman you want?
Yeah, independent, but want to me. I don't want things. She alright. If you want this, you want to have me independent. So want to me. I don't want independent too.
You can't cock up on your foot, man. And you just work your money and can. You don't want no girl where you have to huckle up and down with big bag behind him.
I thought you would say, but anyway. You already got me? Right, one.
So Brittany, I come there now.
You can't talk to me.
Hey, look here. Tell us if you don't come here now, girl.
Come on, burn the music in the middle. What you do ya?
Ask her cousin your beloved.
What you do ya?
Brittany, calm
With me ex-man, the man will take from me.
Calm down.
Don't tell me calm down, I'm my own house, my girl. Don't tell me calm down. How want me to talk to? Brittany, what you do ya?
But they doing to us, but...
Wait that. She get her work, but the work never come through, so she rent for an apartment, she pay half of it. You understand? When we come down, the man give her back the money and put somebody else in her house. So the only solution I have to come is for you then.
Yeah.
But the only, I just 2 days alone me I spend. Then you have to go and rent for a house.
So wait there, you never think about the roadside before you reach here. Sleep on the roadside and come to my house. And you have the heart to come in and
Oh, relax, man, relax.
Okay.
Brittany, show me what Brittany.
No, we have that means say girl, do that.
Calm down, man.
Hello, we have to say excuse, girl, come here. You know me?
What really going on?
You know me? Let me go. Hello, no, what I'm coming. Hello. Excuse me.
Calm down.
Hello. No. You're not. Hello, listen to me, man.
Go on.
You walk up to me, so. Say what I'm with that.
Wait, what are you doing?
Let me go. Let me go. You hear?
Hey, stay this.
Let me go now. Let me go. Let me go.
Calm.
Brittany, calm down.
Come.
Brittany, stop it.
Yeah,
Brittany.
You know me?
Brittany, out, Brittany.
Come out from the house. Hey, man, come out from the house.
Brittany.
Out! Out! Roadside there. Roadside there.
Are your cousin she no, she tell me she blood thicker than water. And we can
No, come back here.
and you're not gonna run her out and ray.
Me stop by your case too, so excuse her from my face.
Bring you too strong. Come cook something.
Me just come off the road.
Bring the girl come here and just tell her some day. Yes, so. Then doesn't come for me after it's as that too. Honey. How we do this telephone? Honey.
What's up?
In there. Girl, you see a price thing? Where you get so much money from to buy that thing? Where the sell phone girl?
Girl, I need a vehicle. Should I say next vehicle? You know, I always like this Mercedes Benz and whatever be the case. So I'm trying to source some online. So I'm checking out what's out to come Japan. I never said I could buy this one, but I've been searching. And the money is not the problem. Don't you know what I buy now? Or I don't know my job, what I do, or what?
You never tell me a job where you do.
Girl, you ever hear about OnlyFans before?
No?
Well, that's what I do for a living, right? So I just entertain persons that are interested in whatever I do, like entertainment. And they just log on to my platform and they pay me just to do that. Whether it be to smile with them, to strip naked and for an excitement, all those dramatic stuff like me. That's what I do for a living. I pay a lot, but guess what? You see your mouth? You must keep shut. Me don't want to know about in my business. Okay? Me don't want the whole world know what I do for a living. That's my survival.
But my girl, the way I thought right now, you hold downtown supposed to hear you. So wait then. You tell me say you're porn star? That you mean?
I'm not talking loud. This is just my regular tone. What you talking about, girl?
You hear me now? Girl, you talk really loud.
Okay, I guess. If you say so.
So, this only fun thing, like, so it make you can afford them people, yeah?
Yes, I'm just a professional, should I say a professional stripper entertainer in one. You know, I entertain, I sometimes I'm partially naked or maybe fully naked, but it's amazing to interact with my clients from a distance. It's so nice, girl. It's very nice and it pay a lot.
Yeah, it must be a lot because these vehicles cost a lot. Yeah. I think I could do them that job I do because I can't afford for nobody to see my little something and I don't feel embarrassed, boy. I'll post my family back up on them the picture there. I'm not ashamed. I could go a road.
Girl, listen. Let me explain. First, I was like you. My family didn't approve of it. But then after I start making money and money start coming into their account and stuff, they start to push me to go forward, right? They even want to quit their jobs. Can you imagine that? They want to quit their jobs just to be a OnlyFans, whatever be the case. You understand? But guess what? They don't have what it takes. They don't have it. They don't have the passion and the curviness and everything that the men are looking for. The men even buy me underwear, nice garments for different occasions. They're spending on me, girl. Can you imagine that? Do you have what it takes? Relax, man. And don't overthink yourself.
Well, sound fun still. But me I'll stick to my little job on me have.
Girl, anyways, it's time to go. I have a client, okay? Baby Johnny need me online. So just walk good.
Ah.
Thanks for coming. Let me know when I reach. Johnny. Hi, baby. Hi. What's going on? What's going on?
It's not there, you know. But come, I have a bone pick at you, you know.
Alia.
No, there is not for me.
Wow, no.
I like how you want your sister live and you look up to your big sister, right? So, we get a look at Jean, for me and you. Nothing appropriate to tell her yet though, when I didn't tell her still, but it's an interesting Jean. You want to hear about it?
Yeah, I like to hear about it.
But we can't tell her now though. So when I did, when the time is right, the sister soon come still. So, you know, she come and see me and tell her one story and stuff like that. But it's a fun dream because in the dream you're having fun.
Good or bad fun?
Well, depends on how you. Good, because you enjoy yourself. And you dare speak in a different languages.
Yeah, with me and you?
So, no, I cannot tell the dream until the time is right. But no, I said, no more brain, man. But you're good though.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So, how work? How you work this is a one?
Hard. Every work hard in sister.
Because your sister make a look of money. So, my time you can squeeze your money. You see, if nothing going on for you, you can take a sister money give you. Because she mean just my time. My time you check out your money.
Yeah.
You can't
Because
take.
other day she said, I'm here work and me take care of money.
No, she have money.
I say, she had the big sister. She can help me sometimes.
No worry yourself, man. Enter in and look at that and look at thing. And you're sure saying that you want to look at squeeze, some squeeze to you. You can't squeeze it, I think no one knows that you have money, man. Right? So, no worry yourself, man.
You don't see her say nice.
She will come to you, girl. You can't hear that way from. She will come to you right now. That's them. I'm not lucky door, you know. I'm lucky door because I'm going to come to you door instead of them. But, a good vibration. She tell her just come check me. And think that she watch me, you know, so come left up for the next place. Woman, the one me bad along out her tongue off from one, suck me off and name me off. And so she does a go. Yeah, man, but the good people just go check up on her still and yeah. She just come a while ago, ask you. Because she come up by the road and things.
Where I come from? Where I come from?
Anyway, I just go and check what she does. I don't know. I'm just saying that, so I must contact to her. Now tell about the family and things. Because I'm in the family, so I must ask her some questions.
So you want?
Where do you want? No, good money. You don't work. You don't get no paid.
So when I get paid?
You don't know, I remember saying me, I tell her, say, I don't know if money we get. Because I have to help break or something.
So, anyway, tomorrow wake up some money come give me. I have to write this out with me now, but tomorrow.
So I had to just give me money, man.
You don't give money, man, and your sister love you. So just check her, man. You take them come back. Hey, that's okay, that's full there.
Come to tell my friend how to this time I talk to.
I'm also a man friend, I know, okay, so not a woman friend.
No matter which friend, I'm a friend.
Well, once there's a beginning, there's an end.
So you know what I talk about?
No, me I ask about the family tree and who for ma, and for your pa, and who for sister brother when they do for sister brother. Some not mix up one on the family, so I try to go in on the family. So no make themselves into. Suppose when I did say I want to marry to you. I want to know who I married to. I don't want to get up and be and hear say this and that and really. So me I have to talk to the family member them to get through, but she not tell me a secret them though.
What secret?
No, I'm just a try if you go to the enough sleep it, so she not tell me nothing. That's good though. So, you're good though?
Yeah.
You about something to eat or
That me have a day now because I'm hungry.
from the day them belly start get big so we have cook too late at night time man. Don't do it man. Look at early you know. You chat up already and link with a friend there. Cook some food from early. Me can't eat so late.
And then when I cook by 3 o'clock, I don't cook. By 9 o'clock, you're hungry again.
Listen now. If you cook for the right time, by 6 o'clock, I want to eat. By 6 o'clock, I not eat again beside 9.
I know me I tell that.
No, I tell you.
I'm going to the kitchen.
Alright. You pick up a lazy woman job.
Okay, I'm pretty brilliant. How was work today?
Not good at all.
I got big good. Let's say you have enough things.
You don't have enough things but sleeping in the top of the mouth.
You're fire side. Sleep, wanna sleep, you know?
Girl, now somebody said them give me 10 room a day for clean. No, 15, one say 20, 15, 20 me have to do now.
15, 20? And I see money I get?
See, I'm 10 grand. Who would they take me for?
Yeah, you see, you're a liar. We can't trust you. We can't believe it. I'm not paying 10 grand to do that type of work. 10 grand and I add more room for it. You know, talk to your boss about it.
You might come talk about we short of stuff and me have to go do that. I can't work there, so I can't work there, so. Yes, so stress me out.
So what you gonna do?
When we come in the evening time, I hardly can't get a sleep. You go back to work.
Oh, sleep.
You well alright, you know, because you have office work to do, you know.
Girl, if it's office work easy, no, it don't easy. If you sit in front of laptop whole day, computer whole day, it don't easy. The eye them need rest. Alright now, I'm going to sleep, so I talk to you tomorrow, because I have work tomorrow morning too, so I have to get my rest.
You have to sit down around office, I have to move, all kind of stuff clean, 100 room clean here.
So I move too. When I there work, I move because obviously I have to use the bathroom to move. I'm going to peep
I have no time for myself.
No.
Many people are going to chuck off your hand.
Let's.
Come back. Oh, you're coming. Sad man. Oh, people they walk me out.
Thank you for watching that movie. Hope you like it. Yeah. Big up Empress Tree. Same way, you know what I mean? When I supported them. Big up my next mystery supporter. What if I supporter? When mystery no want the name announced. Thank you for being a part of the movements. You know what I mean? Big up to the original people them from that time till this time. Never changing. Big up all my producer them from a long time. My sponsor them. Everybody big up on yourself, man. 2023. We not even have a drink yet. You know what I mean? But we still at work, you know what I mean? This has been a good start to the year still, so I'm not worried about it, you know what I mean? Take what they're gonna go the way though. So let's make this year a successful one, right? So link up, you know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Big up everybody. We that cover everything. You know what I mean? As we go along. 2023. Let's go.